Night has fallen on Buli Village. Yet in the midst of darkness, a light will soon illuminate the streets of this village. The Maranatha congregation of Buli gathers in the churchyard.
Face full of joy welcome the Easter celebration.
This torch symbolizes Christ as the light of the world. Let us share this light as a symbol of hope and resurrection. One by one the torches are lit, their light piercing through the darkness of night. Even in low light, the DJI Avata 2 camera perfectly captures the sacred moment. The sharpness and clarity of the images present the stunning beauty of the torch procession. The congregation walks in faith, bringing light to every corner of Buli Village. The symbol of Christ's resurrection is present in every flame. Villagers welcome them warmly, standing in front of their homes. Some join, others smile with emotion and the children's eyes. This procession is not just an annual ritual. In the middle of the village square, the congregation forms a giant cross formation. Light from hundreds of torches illuminates the darkness, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness. In a solemn moment of reverence, prayers are offered. Expressions of gratitude for Christ's sacrifice and resurrection echo in the heart of every congregant. After circling the entire Buli village, the torch procession returns to where it began. The physical journey has ended, but the journey of faith continues. Like a torch that lights the way, so does the faith of Easter that illuminates life. This year's Easter torch procession of the Maranatha congregation in Buli has been successfully captured with DJI Avata 2 technology. Despite low light conditions at night, every moment was recorded with sharpness and clarity. May the light of Christ continue to illuminate every step we take.